Wait.
Secret in the box.
But what's the secret?
I don't know what it is.
Grammy, what is it? Why can guys get away with it and girls can't? Say
What
it.
is it?
I don't know.
Because
You're
it's a
supposed to
double
tell me.
standard.
Graham, what is it?
I'm asking the question.
Grammy, what is it?
I'm asking the question. You're supposed to answer
What's in the
my
box?
question.
What's in the box?
What's in the
What's in the
box?
box?
I don't know. Nobody told me.
Graham,
Is it a
step one,
A surprise.
cut a hole in the box. 2, put your junk in the box. 3, open the box. What is it?
Oh, surprise.
It's
What
a
kind of-
dick in a box. Say it.
What is it?
No, I
Just
won't
say it once.
Grammy, say it.
No,
If you love me, you'll say it.
What's a nickname for Richard?
What's Mr. Dole?
Dick and what?
And where is Richard? Where is he? Where is the nickname for Richard? Yeah, but where does he live?
He lives on the
In a
farm.
box. Is he in a box? Is Dick in a box?
I don't think he lives in the box.
So, what is it? What's the answer? Grammy, just sing it. It's a dick in a box. Ooh.
Go like this, Ma. It's a dick in the box.
Grammy, one time.
In the box.